Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is a beautiful summer day in Vancouver. It's so gorgeous, so hot, I'm sweating, but it is the perfect day to share my incredible patio transformation with all of you. Now, moving into this space was a pretty big change for us. If you guys had seen part one of this patio transformation, you'll know that moving into this house after selling our townhouse, this house is a rental. So I'm limited with what I can do in the space. That said, this outdoor environment is amazing, and this outdoor patio space is the whole reason why we wanted to move in this house in the first place. This being a rental means that I have to make as many changes as I possibly can without doing any construction. So that means furniture and decor. Now, my patio space is divided into two parts. This side being the deeper side of the patio with this incredible background of the backyard would make the perfect outdoor living room space. With that said, I decided to opt for two large sofas and two lounge chairs flanking this conversation area, making it a really great outdoor living room space. I also wanted the furniture to feel really modern, really fresh, young, and kind of cool. When designing the living room area, the first thing I wanted to consider was what was I going to be using this space for. First and foremost, I really wanted this to be a great entertaining space. So I wanted to have big loungers, and I really wanted to maximize the space for as many people as I could for seating. So with the seating arrangement that I have right now, I can comfortably seat 8 people, but you could definitely squeeze in 10 to 12 people, which is great. The next thing is that I just wanted a really great outdoor living room space for multi-purpose use. I love using this space to meditate, to journal, to just relax, kick back, and enjoy the incredible nature that's right here. Really maximize the patio. Oscar, come sit. I saw the camera going like this. Don't bump the camera. I was on a roll there, Oscar. You wanna come on? Come on. Sit down. Sit. Face the camera. Sit. Perfect, perfect. Okay. The third thing I wanted to consider was getting some really modern and timeless, affordable pieces. So I went over to Article to pick up some great furniture to fill this space. That said, sustainability is also really important to me, and it wasn't about getting everything new. I had some great furniture pieces from my previous patio transformation, so I've incorporated a lot of those into this new patio design. Okay, so let's talk about these sofas, which really are the pieces that ground this space. I wanted to have really big, nice and deep lounging sofas, which is exactly what these are. These are the Urba outdoor sofas. I opted to get them in the slate gray, which is a really, really dark gray color. It's almost black. And what I love about this choice is that the black makes the space feel really sophisticated, modern, it's kind of edgy, and it's way more my style. What I really love about these sofas is that they're nice and tailored. The frame is really square, which makes them feel really modern. They've got a great wicker back, and then the base of the sofa is a wood base. I opted for that because the wood ties in really nicely with the structure that's already here in the patio. You can easily seat 3-4 people comfortably on these sofas, and then I flanked this conversation area with the Urba lounge chairs. Now, I deliberately opted for a lounge chair that doesn't have any arms. The reason I did that is because when you want to create a great conversation piece that has a lot of flow and it's easy to navigate and move around, you don't want to have arms on all of your furniture. This keeps the area feeling nice and open, in, but I can also seat at minimum 8 people, if not 12 in this area really comfortably. What I really love about this furniture arrangement is that it fills this side of the patio. It really maximizes the space. And then in contrast to the slate gray color, I have some light, fresh accessories. So I've reused the area rug from my previous patio, and I've got some new throw pillows that are all in a really nice light linen color with just a soft gray or a light black to tie in this whole space. Now I'm standing on the other side of my patio. This side of the patio is the longer, more narrow side of the space. So for me, it only made sense that this could be a great outdoor dining room. What I love about working with the bones of this space is that I already have an incredible backdrop. I've got a great backyard, I've got some great hedges, and this amazing wood canopy to work with. So I knew my furniture selections could be really simple, but really impactful to transform this area. So similar to my living room space, I wanted to have a dining table where I could comfortably seat 6 people, but where I could maximize this up to 8 people if I wanted to. So I've opted for the teak dining table from Article. And what I love about this table is that it actually is an extendable table. So I've got 6 chairs around this table right now, but I can easily sneak in my bench, which is my coffee table on the living room side, and seat 8 people on this table if I need to. And I have done that many times, actually. The reason why I decided to go with the teak for the color of my dining table is because there's already some really great wood elements in this space. The floor is a beautiful brown wood floor. I've got these great columns that are wood and this canopy that's wood. So the teak matches perfectly with all of these elements that are already here. Now, in contrast to the teak dining table, I wanted to have a dining chair that is a little bit more fun and has more personality. So I love an outdoor entertaining space that's fun and casual and relaxed. So instead of going with a typical dining chair, I decided to opt for a lounge chair. These Tula Lily dining chairs actually sit a little bit lower because they are a standard lounge chair. But what I love about them is that they're nice and lightweight. They've got this bamboo looking back, so it keeps it light, fresh looking, and then I really love the gray upholstered seat that is completely removable and washable. This dining room area being as flexible as possible was really important to me. So that's why having a table that's extendable really works. The other reason why I love having a lounge chair as a dining table is because if I have a backyard party and we've got more people that are lounging and sitting around the living room area, I can easily pull some of these chairs over and they can be part of the conversation area in the outdoor living room space. Here's a tip for you guys when you're decorating a dining room table and it's not in use. For me personally, I love going with scale because it gives the space a lot of drama. In my case, I've got a really beautiful textured vase that's nice and big, and then I've chosen to use some really big florals that are actually just cut from the garden out back. What that does is it creates a really nice continuity between what's happening right here on the dining table and the outdoor space, and I love the presence and the scale of this big centerpiece. Now that my patio space is complete, I really could not be happier with the way this turned out. Last but not least, I've incorporated some decor pieces like some outdoor lanterns. I've got some outdoor pots and some beautiful plants just to fill the patio space. I also really love some of the light colored accessories like the throw pillows and a blanket, which of course you need as an accessory on every sofa. We've done a ton of entertaining so far out here, and functionally, all the furniture works really well, but even better is that it looks amazing. This is really a testament to how a little bit of the right furniture can completely transform an outdoor patio space. Let me know in the comments below, what is more your vibe? Do you like the dark, cozy, loungy furniture on the living room side, or are you more into the light wood furniture on the dining room side? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.